Lovely morning. Shout out to everyone and shout out to Bugs. Thank you for staying. Ayan, we are live broadcast sa ating Bicol Live and of course simultaneously sa ating YouTube channel, guys. Alright, what's up? Time check natin. It's 8:34 in a lovely morning. If you want to check it out, ayan yung YouTube channel ko, Mix Derulo. Facebook ko, Mix Derulo. Alright, you can check it out, guys. No? So we are live streaming simultaneously sa aking YouTube channel, guys. So if you do have any song requests, please do. I'd love to do it for you. ID number shout out. Shout out to everyone. Ayan, magandang ganda, pampagana sa umaga. She was nervous as she could be. She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was afraid that somebody would see. 2, 3, 4, tell the people what she wants. It's a itty-bitty, teeny-weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. A itty-bitty, teeny-weeny yellow polka dot bikini. So in the locker she wanted to stay. 2, 3, 4, stick around and tell you more. She was afraid to come out of the open, and so a blanket around her she wore. She was afraid to come out in the open, and so she sat bundled up to shore. It was an itty-bitty, teeny-weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itty-bitty, teeny-weeny yellow polka dot bikini. So in the blanket she wanted to stay. 2, 3, 4, stick around, I'll tell you more. Now she's afraid to come out of the water, and I wonder what she's gonna do. Now she's afraid to come out of the water, and the poor little girl's turning blue. 2, 3, 4, tell the people what she wore. It was an itty-bitty, teeny-weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itty-bitty, teeny-weeny yellow polka dot bikini. So in the water she wanted to stay. Yan. Sabi, wala ka na ba kapatid? Wala akong kapatid, hindi isang anak lang ako, guys. Di pala ako talaga magugustuhan. Di ako madiskarte eh. Ay? Hindi, nasa sa'yo naman yan kung paano mo gagawin yung mga bagay. Mabata ka pa eh. Marami ka pang pwedeng gawin. Oo. Anyway, shout out sa'yo, Bogs.